How to build credit from scratch and retain good credit. Starting from scratch can be a little challenging, but after this video you'll have all the tools that you need to do so. You will need to build credit history, and to do so, you will need to have one or more of your utilities in your name. They are not required to do so, but if you ask them to report it, they may be willing to. You can either use electrical, phone, water, etc. Now, if you're late on payments for your utilities, this could be a negative on your credit report and affect your score. It's very important to pay on time. As with all credit cards, it's very important to always keep your balance below 30%. This will help establish credit and retain good credit. If you do not already have a checking or savings account, open one. Your bank or credit union may be able to provide you with a credit card account once you've established a history with them as a customer. Another option is getting a secured credit card. This type of card uses a cash collateral deposit that turns into the credit line for this account. Generally, you'll be able to charge up to $500. You will not be able to touch the collateral or use it to pay the card off itself. This is an ideal way to build credit or rebuild it as well. If you continue to apply for credit cards, you will affect your credit history. You may be able to have someone co-sign a loan with you. You'll get the benefit of their good credit history. If you retain good payment history on the loan that you co-signed with, this is a risky tactic for the person you ask to co-sign for you because they'll be taking on the responsibility of the payments and timeliness of them as well. Remember the 5 following factors while trying to retain good credit. Credit scores are comprised of 5 factors: payment history, amounts owed, new credit, length of credit history, and types of credit used. Payment history accounts for 35% impact. Paying debt on time and in full has the greatest positive impact on your credit score. Late payments, judgments, and charge-offs all have a negative impact. Outstanding credit card balances, amounts owed, account for 30% impact. This factor marks the ratio between the outstanding balance and available credit. Ideally, you should always keep your balances as close to zero as possible, and definitely below 30% of available credit. Credit history accounts for 15% impact, and it indicates the length of time since a particular credit line was established. A seasoned borrower will always be stronger in this area. Type of credit accounts for 10% impact. A mix of auto loans, credit cards, and mortgages is more positive than a concentration of debt from credit cards only. You should always have 1 to 2 open major credit card accounts. Lastly, inquiries account for 10% impact. This percent change of credit score quantifies the number of inquiries made on a consumer's credit within a 12-month period. Each hard inquiry can cost from 2 to 25 points on a credit score, but the max number of inquiries that will reduce the score is 10. Manage your credit once you've established your credit. This will be with you forever.